Good afternoon. What would you do if you were able to simulate your product, your service, the complete life of your product in a couple of seconds? What would you do if now, today, you imagine something and you can project yourself in the future, check what is the consequence of your design or decision, and at that moment, identify the opportunity, come back to the present, and change your decisions. So what I'm talking about here is kind of, I like to say that it's kind of time-traveling machine, and that's exactly what you could do with a very advanced digital twin able to simulate the complete product and system and service you can imagine. What could be the, what would you do with that? You can, of course, optimize your design. So you take decisions today, and you see in the future what is the best decision. You can also optimize how you use your system. You check the parameters. You can also identify the robustness of your system. You put it in with several environment modifications. You can do many things with this advanced simulation tool. Okay. No, come back. So my name is Guido Spigler. I am the CEO and co-founder of Twiinit. Twiinit is a startup created 3 years ago from Safran, where we develop the knowledge and the capability to generate this kind of multi-physics, multi-component, advanced digital twin. At Twiinit today, we are 6, and we have several results and proof of concept that we created. For instance, we generated the digital twin of a complete aircraft where we could be able to redesign the complete aircraft in a couple of seconds with just changing the specification of this aircraft, taking into account the state of the art of the technology that were even at the heart of the aircraft engine. We were also able to create an advanced application to evaluate the environment impact of complete aircraft space rocket systems. So the idea is when you start to imagine your new rocket, is it better to select one material or another one on some of the components? Of course, you can think about the impact on the cost and on the performance. You can also imagine the impact on the complete emissions generated by your rocket if you take into account the manufacturing part and also the flight and how you get the material back to recycle it. So that's exactly what we did for CNES last year, and we continue this. So what are the next phase today? We are really interested in having discussion with potential customers. What we like is the challenges of impossible missions. So whenever you think about something that a problem that you have no idea to solve it because no solution, we like it because we are really we really believe that you can do far more with advanced simulations than what you imagined. What we all think about LLM and artificial intelligence is just one part of the digital revolution that is currently crossing all our organization knowledge and even the way we imagine to proceed for the design, optimization, and exploitation of our system. Thank you.